Hi there, this is Jason at Smith Lazarus Center for Career Development. I'm going to walk through some tips to optimize Handshake when searching for internships or jobs. Here I'm logged into my student Handshake account, and from the homepage I'll go to Jobs. Right now there are over 7,000 active job and internship postings in the system. We're going to focus right now on filters. The first filter that could be useful to your search is job type, where you can focus by internships or full-time jobs. We do not use Handshake to post campus work-study positions, so you can ignore this item. If you are an international student, you can use the option under Work Authorization, Accepts OPT or CPT. For example, if I filter by full-time jobs and accepts OPT or CPT, the system is showing me that there are over 1,300 active listings right now. Another filter that might be useful is under Labeled by your school. And the filter to use is Smith College Recruiting Partner. These are employers that have a formal, active relationship with our office, beyond simply posting opportunities, which may have included offering information sessions, recruiting events, and/or on-campus interviews. Another tip I'll share can be a big time saver. Let's say you're searching for internships using the keywords data and policy. And you'd like to be near Washington, D.C. Right now, the system is showing me there are about 34 active postings that match this search. Next, I'll click on Get Email Alerts. This saves my search parameters, and Handshake will automatically rerun the same search weekly or daily if I choose, and will email those results to you. You can create multiple email alerts, and if you no longer need an alert, you can easily delete it. Two final tips. First, it's usually more effective to be broad in your searches, as starting with too many filters or filtering too narrowly can slow down your search and lead to frustration. Second, pay close attention to position descriptions, as they're likely to be much more informative than simply looking at job titles. That's it for this demo. Give these search tips a try and let us know how they work for you. If you'd like to follow up by meeting with one of our staff advisors, you can request an appointment through Handshake under Career Center Appointments, or by calling the Lazarus Center for Career Development at 413-585-2582. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your search.